François Brouzex. I'm working at MAScIR and I'm managing the embedded system and artificial intelligence team, and I'm part of the organizing committee for the NASSMA workshop. We are at the fourth day of the workshop and everything is going well. I think the size of the event is very nice. People interact very easily and it's very important, I think, for Morocco and for Africa to have this event, because it allows the scientific community, the Moroccan, the African community, to interact with European researchers, US, Asian researchers, and it's very nice. And for MAScIR and for my team, I think it's very important also to see, to stay up to date with what is being done in AI, because everything is changing so quickly, and to see also how AI can impact other subjects like medical sciences, like climate modeling and things like that. And it gives us also new ideas maybe to propose collaboration and to go into new direction in terms of projects.
I'm Annette. I'm a program manager on the science team at DeepMind and really happy to have been part of organising this AI4Science workshop. At DeepMind, we're really excited about the potential for AI to be used to transform scientific discovery, and it's been really fantastic to be partnering with MAScIR. We're very grateful to MAScIR to have shared their facilities with us, and it's been great working with the other sponsors as well. And it's really important that broad communities are involved in shaping how AI gets applied and the types of problems that AI gets applied to, specifically in the sciences as well. So it's really great that we're here helping to foster collaborations within Morocco and other African countries and also across the Middle Eastern region. And it's been a great event so far. There have been lots of engagement from the audience, and we're looking forward to the remaining couple of days.
My name is Saad Bejloun. I'm professor at University Mohammed VI Polytechnic in the department MSDA. AI is a very active research field at UM6P, and actually it is at the heart of many research work at UM6P in agriculture, in chemistry, in medical sciences, in biology. We are very glad to organize these events with global organizations such as DeepMind, such as NASSMA, and to have top-notch lectures and to present and to share knowledge with outstanding researchers from Morocco and from the region of Africa, to start new collaborations and to interact and think together about the future of science using AI.
Okay, hello, my name is Hamza Fawzi. I'm a professor of applied mathematics at the University of Cambridge, and I'm also the president of the NASSMA organization, whose goal is to promote science and education in Africa and the Middle East, and especially in STEM areas, in science, technology, engineering and mathematics. And we're very happy to be organizing this event to promote the area of AI in this region, which is a very fast growing area of research and science at the moment.